from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 1994 Toyota 4Runner 3.0 liter automatic. I'm going to show you how to change the engine oil and the oil filter. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. 3/8 ratchet, 3/8 extension, 14mm socket, flat tip screwdriver, band type oil filter wrench, Teflon tape, funnel, and my drain pan. These are the parts I'm going to be using today to do this job. Engine oil filter, 5 quarts of 530 conventional oil, and a can of BG MOA engine oil treatment. So first I'm going to be opening up my oil filler cap, putting in my funnel. Now we're going to go underneath the vehicle. So I'm going to be removing my engine oil pan drain plug. It's going to be the back of the engine, using a 14mm socket. Okay, so I changed the oil before, and what I did was I put some Teflon tape around it because it was leaking. So I'm going to be removing the old Teflon tape. So I'm going to get some new Teflon tape and just kind of roll it up. Just spin it and roll it up, and just twine it around the drain plug. Okay, so now we're going to be installing the drain plug. So I'm going to be installing my drain plug and tightening it up. So I'm going to be removing the engine oil filter. It's going to be on the driver's side front of the engine, using my band type oil filter wrench. So I'm going to be putting some engine oil on my oil filter O-ring. That way when you spin it on, it just slides right on. So I'm going to be wiping the engine block side. Make sure there's no rubber seal on it. If there is, remove it and wipe down the block side. And screw on your filter. And tighten them up. So I'm going to be adding in my engine oil. So I'm going to add a can of MOA. Putting my oil filler cap on. Make it tight. You don't want this guy vibrating loose. So I lowered the vehicle. Now I'm going to start it up. Let it run for a little while. Okay, that's good enough. Let's shut it off. Now we're going to be checking the oil level. So I'm going to be checking the oil level. The dipstick is on the driver's side of the engine. There is 2 different color dipsticks, one orange and one yellow. The orange one is to check the transmission level. The yellow is to check the engine oil level. So we're going to be pulling out the yellow dipstick, wiping it down, putting it back in, pulling it out, checking the level, perfect, right up to the full. So that's how you change an engine oil and an oil filter. Make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.